In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now click on special features. Following that, select Simple Mode at the bottom and choose Enter Simple Mode. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to switch it off, go into Settings, click on Exit Simple Mode, confirm your choice in the pop-up, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!